This is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a good and tasty strawberry milkshake. So let's get started. What things you need are 3 tablespoons of sugar, 500 milliliter of milk which is frozen sort of and cold, and some strawberries and milkshake machine. Let's start it. We will cut off the top half of the milk packs. And as you can see, it is ice cold, and we will put very cold milk. Without cold milk it won't work, this method. And we have also frozen the strawberry as well. This is round about half a 0.25 kilogram of strawberry. We have frozen it, put it into the milk. Now we are going to grind it in the machine. Strawberries are frozen, as you can see. You can see we have grinded it out and it looks frothy. Again, we have put some strawberries, ice cold strawberries inside. Put another milk pack. We are at the ending stages of making this ice cold milkshake. Now, my friend over here, he will drink it.
Stop it. Stop it.
It's frothy and very creamy, even though we haven't used any cream whatsoever. And now My friend over here will test it in front of you guys. It's very creamy. And he says that he likes it a lot. And I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off.
Your strawberry milkshake is very nice.